Hi friends, this is going to be week 2, day 3, our second part of our math video. So you just watched Mrs. Arwood's video online, and now we are going to go into our blue learn book, and we're going to work on our problem sets sheets. So the first page we're going to work on is page 13. So at the top we have a line for our name. The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. So you're going to write your name at the top of the page. And I have Miss P up on my page. You have your name. The directions for our page is to draw a line between the objects that have the same pattern. Talk with a neighbor about the objects that match. You're going to talk to either me on this video, or you can talk to your grown-up or your family, whoever is there with you right now. The first object is this hat. What object on the other side has a matching pattern? There's stripes on the hat. That's the pattern. And we can see another hat with stripes, right? Go ahead and draw a line to connect the two hats with stripes. The next object is a pair of pants that has polka dots on it. Do you see the polka dot pants? What object on the next side matches the pattern of polka dots? I see a shirt too. Connect the shirt and the pants. Even though they aren't the same object, they have the same pattern. Then we have this teacup. This teacup has a design, kind of like a zigzag line design. What object has the matching pattern to the teacup? The plate. The cup and the plate go together. Go ahead and make your line to connect them. And then our last two pairings, the circle and the triangle, have the same checkered pattern on them. Woohoo! We have a second problem set page today, so go ahead and flip your page. On one side, you see a bunch of objects, and on the other side, you see flowers. The flowers, excuse me, the flowers on this side are for tomorrow. This is tomorrow's page, so don't do the flowers. We're going to look at this side of the page, page 14. The directions say circle the object that would be used together with the object on the right, or on the left, sorry. So this is the object on the left. Which would be used with this object? This is the basketball net. Would you use a soccer ball or a basketball with a basketball net? You're going to use a basketball, right? Go ahead and circle the basketball. Next, we have a bowl. Are you going to use a spoon or a pencil with the bowl? The spoon. Circle the spoon. Last but not least, we have a paintbrush. Are you going to use the paints or a toothbrush? The paints. Paint and paintbrush goes together. Nice job, friends. And guess what? We're done with our workbook pages. If you thought that this lesson was pretty easy and you felt confident about it, you can go ahead and try in your Succeed book, your red Succeed book. You can try and work on page, this is lesson 3, so page 11 is a homework helper page. And then page 13 is your homework page for lesson 3. This is a fun one that we would definitely do in school. You are drawing a picture of something that would go with the object. So what would go with a juice? A carton of juice. What would go with the juice? What would go with the mittens? And then you're coming up with your own pairings. So what two things go together? Kind of a fun one. You might decide that you want to do this today. So check it out if you are interested. Okay, my friends. Thanks for working so hard.